here at one of Nusa Dua's grandest resorts, the Grand Hyatt Bali. Now this resort has been a key icon of Nusa Dua Beach for over 30 years. You wouldn't know it though. The grounds, the rooms, they're all so beautiful. We want to take you for a walk through and show you why this is one of Bali's best resorts. Now the grandness of this resort starts straight from right here in the lobby. The lobby has been designed so that you can see the entire landscape from the minute you arrive. Established resort means that the Grand Hyatt Bali has the luxury of so much space. The lobby is grand and the grounds and the ponds and the gardens are even grander. There are a number of different rooms, suites and even private villas to choose from when you stay here at the Grand Hyatt Bali. Today we're in the stunning Ambassador Suite, which has so much space. What you can be assured of in any room, suite or villa that you choose is that there'll be gorgeous traditional touches and of course luxury finishings. No doubt that the pools are one of the highlights of a stay at Grand Hyatt Bali. There are 5 pools throughout the resort and there are even 2 super fun water slides. The pools open right onto the beach area and our favourite is the river pool with its amazing rock formations. Just before you get to the beach, you'll find this gorgeous pathway. It's perfect for taking bike rides, runs or walks along to explore the whole area of Nusa Dua. The pathway also gives you access to the stunning white sand beach here at Nusa Dua, where you can spend your time swimming, tanning, splashing and even surfing. Of course, one of the favourite spots for the kids and the adults is the Kids Club here at the Grand Hyatt Bali. Every guest gets a complimentary 2 hours a day at the Kids Club with an option to stay longer should your children want to. There are tons of activities happening here and they even have some cute little bunnies. During your stay here, you're spoiled for choice when it comes to eating and drinking. There are 9 F&B outlets across the entire resort. Today we're here at Water Court where you can enjoy some of the best Indonesian food in Bali. One of my favorite parts about roaming the grounds here at the resort is spotting the resident duck family that are lucky enough to call the Grand Hyatt Bali home. Welcome to the amazing Kriya Spa. Now, this is just the lobby, so I think you can imagine how amazing the treatments are going to be. At this spa, there's not spa rooms. Every room you go into is actually an entire spa villa. We're going to take you for a look through one. All of the treatments at the spa have been inspired by Balinese wellness treatments. In every villa there is a private bathtub, a plunge pool, a shower, a toilet. They're really meant for a total relaxation experience from the very start to the very end. Come and take a look in the villa with us. We hope you've enjoyed taking a walk with us through the Grand Hyatt Bali in Nusa Dua. What we've shown you today is only a tiny amount of what you can expect to find across the 18 hectares that this resort is spread across. We hope to see you soon here at Grand Hyatt Bali.